Hi friends, what's up? This is K from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to disallow passcode changes on your Mac. For enhanced security, you can completely block passcode changes on your Mac. If you don't want any of your family member to tinker with the passcode or wish to enhance the security of your macOS device, you should take full advantage of this neat feature. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first up, you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac, and then select Screen Time. After that, you have to choose Content and Privacy. Then select Preference Restrictions, and then turn off the toggle right next to Allow Passcode Changes. And finally, make sure to click on the Done button to confirm the action, and you are good to go. From now onwards, no one will be able to change passcode on your Mac. Later, if you ever want to disable this feature, all you have to do is go back to the same Screen Time setting and then turn on the toggle right next to Allow Passcode Changes, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.